AMC Upper Primary, question 21. Four positive whole numbers are placed at the vertices of a square. On each edge, the difference between the two numbers at the vertices is written. The four edge numbers are 1, 2, 3, and 4 in some order. What is the smallest possible sum of the number at the vertices? Okay, so we begin with the edges. So on each edge, there's a difference of 1, 2, 3, and 4 in some sort of order. So we have to remember 4 in this case. No diff. So we have to remember that there's a difference of 4 in one of the vertices. So the possibility of 1, 2, 3, 4 is unable to be done because 4 cannot be subtracted by any of these numbers to get the difference of 4. So that's not possible. We'll move on to the second biggest, smallest possibility. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 5, which is equal to 11. 5 minus 1 is 4, so we can do this. So let's draw up the square. Okay, so we can have 5 and 1 next to each other. So that's the difference of 4. Edge is number 4. So 5 has to be next to either 3 or 2. So, but to get a difference of 3, we'll put 2 on the other side. So now it's 5 and 2. So 4, 3 is the edges. So the next one has to be 3. So 3 and 1 subtraction is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So, and all of the edges fit together. So the answer, or the smallest sum, is 11. The final answer is B.